Hi guys, so today we're going to be opening this Mewtwo Special Edition pack.
So I don't get
The
lost.
3 and then the pin and stuff. But there will be a part 2 because I have to wait to open the next 2 packs. But we will open this Howden pack. And then that'll be the end of part 1.
I forgot to get a bag at
But if I get something freaking good out of this, I'm freaking gonna rage. Because I hope Howden Breakthrough Booster code card 3 Mega Howden. Mega Howden.
I should be able to make pretty good.
Oh
Mom's on her
no!
way to show up his small walks.
A knockout.
Well, she's like, Mom, you ready? You just want to sit out here?
Yeah!
Told
A
you.
fire break!
My mom think that she was going
It's a freaking break! Ladies and gentlemen! Holy! Pitbull! And this is only what? Magnemite! Oh, a break, boys! Ignore that. Oh my gosh. Rolls. It's insanity. Skiddo. No. Skiddo's damaged. Anywho, Skiddo. Howden Spirit Link. A Swampert and a Professor Letter. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Floyd's break. It's only part 1. Floyd's break. Howden Spirit Link. 2 best cards. Ladies and gentlemen, Break and Howden Spirit Link. Oh, dude, that Floyd Break.